and welcome back to my channel. Hope you are having a great day. So over on Instagram, everyone has been asking for an update on the red room, and to be 100% honest, I was kind of leaving this room because I ordered furniture, but I wasn't sure exactly when it was coming, and we got word a couple of days ago that the furniture was coming. So today I am cleaning and prepping for the furniture. If you are new here, this is actually going to be a sitting room. Originally, the previous homeowners used this as a dining. I felt like turning this room into a sitting room would be so much more beneficial to us because I am not one for company, but babe, here and there he has friends that come from out of town, family, and we need somewhere for everyone to sit that isn't necessarily going to be the white sofa. So I got darker furniture within this room, so I wanted to find a paint that was going to coincide with the furniture. So today the plan is to not only clean, but also get the wine wall up. On top of that, later on, I am going to retouch this wall with another coat of paint because baby, dude's been eating the wall. Why? I don't know. But the boy ate the wall, okay? Ate the trim on the wall. So I'm going to have to go in and paint. And then right before the housewarming, John came in and did the base trim around the room. So I'm going to paint that white into that burgundy. That way it goes from the top of the trim all the way to the bottom. So that's going to be added. And then, of course, I have to do drapery. But so far, I'm really loving it. The ceiling, oh, the wall, oh, the wainscoting, oh, I love it. Not only am I recording for YouTube, but I'm also recording content for Instagram. Whenever the boys are home, I have them help me here and there with recording. That way they can make some extra little monies. And so today, Babe's son is helping me. So pretty much I just have him record, stop, record, stop, record, stop until we get the footage. And then I get to share the content across both platforms. I have to start being a little bit more active on TikTok, so bear with me. I'm coming over, y'all. I'm coming. It's just a lot right now between working from home with the house, working with clients, and then still keeping up with brand deals and stuff. So bear with me as I gather my social media platform together, darling. This is my first actual attempt in putting up the wine racks. And let me just tell you, I thought this was going to be a simple 1, 2, 3 installation and I was going to be done. But no, absolutely not. Thank you to Amazon. I'm not blaming Amazon. I just feel like the seller of this particular product should do a little bit better. So I'm not upset about the actual anchors because I never use the anchors that come into any of the boxes. I have my own anchors, so I use that. But the nails did not fit. So initially, how this thing was supposed to be installed, I had to do a whole separate configuration. I'm not sure. I had comments on Instagram where people say they had it. I don't know if theirs was perfect and mine just was faulty. But I'm going to just tell you now, was it worth the buy? Yes, because it accomplished what I wanted. But I just feel like I had to do entirely too much work to get it up. Would I use it again? I would because of the price. So the first rack went up, got it done. It took me like 15 to 20 minutes to get it done. And I already knew the way my patience is set up, this isn't for me. Okay. I called Babe, like, hey, can you help me? So of course he came to help me. So as he was putting it up, I then handled all of the measurement to make sure everything was in place. And again, I had to go in to find all the nails to get it in the wall. But it was a struggle because the nail, it's supposed to go through the actual hardware. That way you can cap it off so you can't see exactly where each screw is in. And none of the screws were going in at all. I forgot to show y'all the reason why it has to go in there. The reason why the screw has to go in there is because these little black piece has to go to cover. Okay. Babe?
It has to go up?
It has to go up all the way.
Oh, this is getting a little tight.
Why do you say that?
Because the hole's too high.
The hole's too high.
The hole's a little bit higher than the hole.
Let me see. How did I do that?
Not an angle, really.
Let me tell y'all something. Y'all stay talking about Amazon, but baby, this is treacherous activities right here. This is treacherous activities. The caps are struggling to fit in. The nails are totally wrong. I'm still gonna post this if y'all want it, but keep in mind you're gonna have to go get nails and you're probably gonna have to wiggle and jiggle the caps. Baby.
You gotta be creative.
Listen. They were affordable though, so I'm not complaining. They were affordable. But my gosh. Every time y'all send me to Amazon, I swear, I'm reminded why I don't cut corners.
It's always something.
It's something. You probably gonna have to take the measuring tape, babe, or take the screwdriver, the back butt of it. The one that's in
I see it.
Yeah.
That's my plan.
Okay.
That was my plan. That's why as long as it got in there.
It looks good though. It don't look like it's giving us a struggle. I tell you that much. It does look good, but baby, the struggle is real. Sean, can you go ahead and put these into the recycling? Thank you so much. You're looking fun. Mighty. Let me stop playing. looking mighty good there, sir. I like when you're working.
You want me to take you from soup?
Yes, please. Thank you so much. Y'all dig it in. I like it. Oh, they were playing it at the concert.
Really?
Timberland. It looks really good. If I tell someone I struggle with, they wouldn't believe it. It looks really, really good. Mighty, mighty. Hey, wait, while you're taking a shower, can I run and go just get a couple of bottles of wine?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, baby. I'm gonna tell you now. Between the light fixture, the paint color.
Son, go to the garage and get like a cloth. And you start to wipe this down.
Oh, just get the vacuum.
Get the
Get the vacuum head. Babe, come here. You gotta see it from this view. This house gonna be large. You know we leaving. Cause otherwise, baby, it look good.
Looks amazing.
That looks good. I'll do it. It looks good. I'm mad that they don't be honest on these reviews when they be talking about Amazon stuff. I'm gonna tell y'all the truth, okay? So let me give y'all the truth. This looks absolutely amazing, but it was a struggle. Would I do the struggle again? I would. You might want to do it too, but I'll say this, it's an inconvenience if you don't already have nails in your house. I'll say that much. But I think I would have preferred to have ordered already assembled, put together, and all I had to do was attach them on the wall. Now these I think were like $36 a piece, and the ones that are pre-assembled are like 80 to 90, so you're essentially paying double. So in the future, if I do this again, I would probably pay the $80 because technically speaking, I ended up using nails that are supposed to go for my actual anchors instead of those anchors. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. These are the nails that came into the box. None of them fit, okay?
I recorded on your Instagram.
Okay, thank you, appreciate you, baby. Okay, and
So I guess that we could do a voiceover in there.
yeah, I'm gonna do a voiceover for Instagram. I'm not gonna do a voiceover for this. Well, I'll do it. Thank you so much for your hey, shush. Okay, so on the left side is the anchor that came into the box. I never really use these. These are the ones that I actually end up using when I'm doing projects. They are better, more efficient, and so there was a lot of using other materials outside of what came into the box. So I will share that with you. Overall, looking at the racks, they look amazing. So I'm not gonna knock it. So if you are on a budget and you're looking to do this, 100% purchase this one. But if you know you're gonna be in your home and it's your forever home and you want it to look good and you don't wanna keep wasting material, because essentially I now have about 20 nails that I can't use. I'm probably just gonna save them for another project because the nails were supposed to go through this actual system and it didn't. So I'm gonna reuse them for something else. But if you don't do DIYs and you don't have no use for them, it is a waste of the material. But overall, it looks amazing. I'm going to pan up because y'all have to see the ceiling in the light fixture. And just like, unfortunately, Deuce ate up my wall down here, so I have to go and do some patchwork. But I am ready for the furniture. Thank you. Baby, Keep it right there. Thank you. Look on. You look good. Right? Come help me.
I wish I could, but I got to go.
Can you just put that up there?
The way to tuck.
Yeah.
Which one?
Oh, the first one.
I'm on the same direction.
Huh? No, all the way to the top.
Oh, all the way to the top.
Yeah. Okay, put that one here. Put that one right there. No, next up.
Oh, the final.
No, leave it right here. Put that up.
All the way to the top?
Yes.
Is that the box that was in the car you need me to grab?
Yeah. Oh, this gotta go down.
Right here.
Yeah.
Where?
Let me see. Imperial. Oh, I got two Joshes. Okay, have a good day at work.
You too.
This bottle just had to be put up because Sorry, y'all. It looks so good, you guys. Let me back up a little bit. Oh, okay, so now I have to clean because literally in the next hour, the furniture will be here. So bye.